Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best boat garbage bag on the market, the Avigap Boat Trash Can. If you spend a lot of time out on the water, whether fishing, kayaking, or cruising on a pontoon, you know how important it is to keep your boat clean and odor-free. This product is designed specifically to meet those needs, offering a perfect combination of durability, portability, and functionality. The Avigap Boat Trash Can is crafted from high-quality materials to handle the tough conditions you encounter on the water. The outside is made with durable Oxford 1000D fabric, which is water-repellent and built to withstand harsh marine environments. Inside, it features a 100% water-resistant material that ensures no leaks or spills. This means you can use it with or without a trash bag, making it incredibly versatile depending on your trip length or preferences. One standout feature is the clever design for odor control. The trash can includes a top lid that can be securely closed to keep unpleasant smells contained, so your boat stays fresh throughout your trip. It also has built-in ant prevention by eliminating trash clutter and securely containing waste, which helps reduce the chance of attracting unwanted pests on board. Portability is another strong suit for this trash can. It is lightweight and can be easily folded for storage when not in use. This makes it convenient to carry to and from the boat or pack away when you're done. The can is designed with two adjustable straps featuring anti-corrosion aluminum clips. One strap at the top and a bungee strap at the bottom, allowing for quick and secure installation. These straps hold the trash can firmly in place even when the boat is moving at high speeds. The capacity is perfect for boating needs, fitting 10 to 13-gallon garbage bags snugly. Inside, 8 aluminum snaps securely hold the trash bag, preventing it from slipping or collapsing. Plus, there's a handy side pocket where you can store extra bags for quick replacement, so you're never caught without a fresh liner. Cleaning the Avigap Boat Trash Can is straightforward due to the water-resistant inside material. You can easily rinse it out after use, ensuring it stays hygienic and ready for your next adventure. This is a huge advantage over traditional trash bins that can get messy and hard to maintain. Whether you're heading out for a day of fishing, spending time at the beach, or kayaking down a river, this trash can adapt to your needs. It's not just a garbage holder, it's a thoughtfully designed boating accessory that enhances your overall experience on the water by keeping your space organized, clean, and odor-free. In summary, the Avigap Boat Trash can combine strong materials, thoughtful design, and practical features into one reliable package. It's portable, easy to install, leak and odor resistant, and keeps ants and pests away. If you want to upgrade your boating gear with a trash solution that actually works, this is definitely the one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.